What is a line type heat detector? Unlike traditional heat detectors that monitor a single point, line type or linear heat detectors provide continuous heat sensing along an entire cable. They are designed for areas where fire detection needs to cover a long distance, such as tunnels, parking garages, conveyor belts, and industrial plants. A linear heat detector (LHD) consists of a specially designed cable with heat sensitive insulation. When the temperature reaches a critical level, the insulation melts, allowing the conductors inside to short circuit. This sends a signal to the fire alarm panel, triggering an alert. Key benefits: provides fire detection over long distances, works in high risk and harsh environments, reliable and cost effective solution. Where are they used? Warehouses and logistics centers, tunnels and underground facilities, parking garages, power plants and industrial areas, conveyor belts and cable trays. Don't wait until it's too late. Ensure your property is protected with UAE approved linear heat detectors.